Welcome to our training for today. Still on Facebook creation, okay? I'm sorry, last time I said I want to give you a tip, but I couldn't give you that tip because I don't want the class to be too long. The tip is this: after creating everything I want to show you now, once your Facebook is ready and you're looking for where to post, kindly go to TikTok, okay? You can go to TikTok, you can go to Instagram, you can go to YouTube. Get videos that are related to your niche. What did I say? Video related to your niche. Niche is what your Facebook page or profile is all about, okay? So you will see a lot of videos. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Bring these videos or post or erase. Try to modify it, include your picture, maybe add song and move their song. Just twist it up, okay? And then post it. As you are posting it, to be getting followers, to be coming one by one, they come one by one. And once you've gotten enough for followers, then you can delete those videos and then start bringing your own video. That is tip number 1. And that was what I was supposed to give you on the previous class. Today, if you hang around to the end, I also give you another tip that will help you to get 5,000 followers in no time. So hang around to the end, okay? But meanwhile, let's go to the class for today. Today, I want to create a profile, set everything up. So go to your profile and you see add bio. Bio stands for a kind of introduction to who you are or what the profile or page is all about. Are you a businessman? Do you have a product or do you have the skills to sell? That is, here is where you explain those things to your listeners, your audience. Let them know who you are. So as for me, I've already prepared something I want to paste here. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just copy it and paste, okay? So you go ahead and prepare something and write it there. Okay, so I'll just post it. Then once you've posted that, you continue again. The next one is to edit details. So under details, if you click on this edit details right now, it will show you how your pronoun, forget about the pronoun, go to your work area, go to education, go to your current towns and city. So everything, every damn thing, come over and fill all these things, okay? If you're in Lagos or especially where you want your video to go, people that you want to view your video, please put that one as your current location. That's the tip I want to give you for today. You know why? Because, for example, if I'm in Lagos or I want people in Lagos to be watching my video and I want to put Delta State, Facebook will always look at your location and bring people within your location. Okay, so if your location is Delta or maybe your State or other state, but you want to be targeting those in Lagos, that's how you put Lagos. So Facebook will bring people around Lagos to your page. Okay, so that's how it works. Remember, these things are done by algorithms. Algorithms are AI. They are not like human beings. They follow what they see. They act based on instinct. Okay, not even based on instinct. So they act based on what they are programmed to act. Okay, so just go ahead and fill all of this. I will get, if you have any mistake or if you make any mistake or have any question, just ask me on the comment section. Or if you are coming to I'm training one-on-one, then ask me when I come over for the one-on-one training. Okay, because there's some I'm training one-on-one, while some are right here on YouTube, some are on Facebook, some are on different social media platforms. Okay, so you can ask question or comment section and I will direct you exactly what to do. So go ahead and feed all of this, okay? After that, you continue. Make sure you feed everything and optimize them, okay? You add your features and stuff like that. I too will go ahead and feed mine now, and once I'm through, I will also go to the next one. So feed this one and see you in our next class. Thank you.